In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 or more in a day simply by reselling done-for-you digital programs inside of the e-learning industry. So with this program, it's like an all-in-one business in a box, and you get to earn 100% profit per sale because you have master resale rights to these programs. And I've been building this business for like the past year. I've made thousands of dollars with it. I've had many $900 days. I've even had $1,800 days. So I'm definitely qualified to talk about it. Plus, I've been inside of our community like for like a year, and I've done all the things. Like I've done the live events. I know the creator of the program. So I've done it all. So like if you have any questions about this, I can definitely answer your questions. And all you got to do is get your business started just like I did. Set up your business one time, you plug into our community, and then all you're doing is following basically a 2 hour workday and you're just posting content on social media. You can go live and you can also copy and paste free ads. And what we're doing is we're attracting customers to us. It's called attraction marketing. So you don't have to pay for ads. You don't have to bother your friends and family. You don't have to cold message people. This is by far the best business that I've ever tried. I've done programs, I've tried multi-level marketing programs. And why this is better is because we earn 100% profit per sale. It's high ticket marketing. You earn $900 per sale. And soon we're going to be launching another product in like the next couple weeks where you're going to be able to earn $1,400 per sale. And this new product is going to have Spanish and English. So you can also promote this product to this program to Spanish speaking people as well. And there's going to be new bonus trainings. So, what we're reselling are these educational programs in the e learning industry, which is like $1 billion a day industry. So, you can learn from these programs and you resell them for 100% profit. So, you're going to be learning all about how to become an entrepreneur, how to do attraction marketing, how to do email marketing, how to build your brand, how to attract customers using social media, how to grow your social media following, how to create your own offers if you want to do that. That's all the stuff you're going to learn inside of these programs. So not only can you learn from them, but you resell them for 100% profit. So there's going to be 100, 300, 600, 900, and soon to be $1,400 commissions, okay, per sale. And if you get started before the 30th, you get a discount on the new programs that are being launched. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan, and I used to be a monk for 10 years. That's why I'm known as a seven-figure monk. And now I just help people make money online so they can live a life of freedom. Okay. So you basically have two choices when it comes to making money. You can be an employee, which means you're working for other people and you're making other people rich. You're building their business, or you can be an entrepreneur and you can build your own business and make yourself rich. So I'm going to show you how this program works. I'm going to share my screen with you. And yeah, I'm just going to walk you through the program. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. And if you want to get started with this program or if you want to learn more, just go to the link in my bio. It's sevenfiguremonk.com. Go there, just put in your details, watch the videos, check your folders for the word blueprint because I'm going to be sending you emails. So check all your folders, your junk, spam, whatever, for the word blueprint, and then just look through the information. Maybe this is something you want to do, maybe it's not. I don't know. But if you're not making money online, in my opinion, this is the best way to do it because we earn 100% profit. Most businesses out there, they don't earn 100% profit per sale. Okay, they only earn 10 to 30%. We don't have any monthly fees. Most businesses have monthly fees. We have an amazing community where there's 56,000 people. You get live mentoring from millionaires, okay? You get live mentoring from six and seven figure incrementers. You get daily mentoring from a millionaire. You get training, you get support, you get everything. Most of these programs out there, they don't have a community that's anything close to ours. And you also get live, like we have also have live events. Okay, we go on cruises, we do events together. It's really great. So let me share my screen with you real fast. Okay, here's our community. So I'm going to show you see, we also, like when you start this business, you also get you don't have to create a thing. We give you the products, we give you a sales funnel, website, everything. So here's a sales funnel. Okay. This is what you're going to get. It's going to look something like this. So basically, someone goes to your link and they put their email in. So what's happening is you're building your email list, and we give you 30 emails to begin with. And these emails are being sent out to people every single day on autopilot, following up for you because the fortune's in the follow up, right? Okay, so after they put their email in, they're going to go here, they're going to watch a video, right? Oh, they're going to watch this video. This is the thank you video. Okay, they're going to watch this video. There's going to be like testimonials, like look at $1,800 day, $10,000 month, $1,500 dings, $1,300 day, $2,000 day, 5,008 days. You can do this too. If they can do it, so can you. What's the difference? The only difference is they got started and they're taking action. Then here's a video they're going to watch and another video. They're going through your sales funnel. Okay, they're going to watch these videos. This video is sent out in people's emails. Okay, these videos are doing the selling for you, the telling, it's closing the sales for you. Okay, this is how you make money while you're sleeping. This is how you earn passive income. All the money that we make is from passive income, right? Because we're doing a little bit of work. You can call it semi-passive income. We're following a 2-hour workday. We're building our email list, but all the money comes in passively because you're not manually checking people out. Like the sales funnel closes the sales for you. It's all automated. Okay. And it's going to send people to your website, which will look something like this. Okay. Unlock 100% profit, earn 3 to 900 a day, right? How would an extra 300 to 900 per day change your life? Just to put it in perspective, 900 a month is an extra 10K a year. Not like so one sale a month is 10K a year, two sales a month is 20K, three sales is 30K. Do the math, right? 10 sales is 100K a year. Okay, you just need 10 sales a month. Now, if you think you can, you can. If you think you can't, you can't. It's all about mindset. You got to be confident, and confidence just comes from doing the stuff, right? Like when I started this business, I never was I wasn't confident when I went live the first time. I wasn't confident the first time I created content. But since I've been doing it for a year, I'm super confident because I'm taking action. Confidence comes from taking action. Okay, you got to be confident, you got to be coachable, and you got to be consistent. This is how you build a successful online business. So, why do we want to build an online business? So we can live a life of freedom, spend more time with our family, travel more, just do whatever we want to do without having to work a job, right? There's 50,000 members in our community. We did $29 million in sales in our first 10 months since we launched this program last year. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay, so there's a one-time investment. You invest one time, you get your first sale, and then you get your investment back. Okay, and then there's this certification training that you can go through. So this is going to teach you how to market this program like a pro. And then all these skills that you learn while building this business, these are all transferable skills. So whatever skills you learn with this business, you can use it for any business moving forward. No one can take away the skills once you learn them. And you earn 100% profit, which is amazing. Like if you've ever done a business before, you understand that 100% profit is just like phenomenal. Okay. So your website will look like this. All you got to do is put your pictures here. See how I have my pictures here? You put your pictures here, right? Imagine if you could earn 900 per day in passive income, which is 2 hours of work. Work from anywhere in the world with just your phone and Wi-Fi. Freedom to travel, spend time with family, and live life. Okay. That's me in the Bahamas. That's me in Nepal. So there's 4 different products, right? So someone can go to your website, they purchase the 100, the 300, the 600, or the 900, and every time they purchase from you, you get paid instantly through your payment gateways like Stripe, Square. You just attach it to you just PayPal, you just attach it to your website. We show you how, and that's how you receive your payments. So you get instant payments and you can transfer to your bank account on the same day, instant transfers too, if you want. And there's also payment plans available for you and available for your customers. So it's super affordable to get started. Like there's all kinds of payment plans. And if you have any other question, like if you need help with the payment plans, you can also email me as well. Okay, then there's testimonials. I'm just showing you what the website looks like. Now I modified this a little bit. I put my own pictures and stuff. You can do it too. You can modify the website any way you want to. You can change the words, you can change the pictures. Just don't change it too much because it's already proven to convert, right? But I just put some extra pictures of me. So here's me hanging out with the creator of the program. This is the creator of the program. Her name is Michelle. I've met her many times. We've been on a cruise together. I stayed at her house even, like with her and her boyfriend. They both drive Porsches. She's made around $10 million in 3 years. Okay. She started her business like this, a similar one to this, and she made her first million in 17 months. And then she launched this program, which is way better than the old program. Because I used to promote the old program too. And this one is like not, this is way better. It's not even close. Okay. So basically, this is what the website looks like. You can check it out for yourself at sevenfiguremonk.com. You also get these bonuses. You get access to our community for free. Like people charge money for communities like this. You get free access. You get live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners. Okay. That's huge. And then there's all these bonus trainings like how to create your own communities, Canva crash course, my first million in 17 months blueprint, 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan, how to do faceless marketing if you want to do that, 200 digital product ideas. Okay. So, yep, that's the website. And yeah, so like if you wanted to, let's say you wanted to get started with this business, you want to launch this business, you purchase one of the programs and then you pay your website fee. And then you're going to have access. Okay. So let me show you like As soon as you purchase a program, you're going to have access to everything. Here's your certification training that you go through. You just go through this training. Okay. It's going to show you like everything. It's going to break down how this all works, like what is email automations, how does master resell rate works, all this stuff. What is digital marketing? What is attraction marketing? You're going to learn the basics, plus you're going to learn like how to market like a pro through the certification training, which takes around 2 hours to complete. And then once you finish that, you get your certificate. Okay. Then you got the bonuses. Okay, all these different bonuses are here. Like I said, how to create your own products, all the bonuses I mentioned. And then what you want to do is once you purchase a program, you want to go inside of your program. Okay. You want to go to the most expensive program that you purchased. You just go through that because all the other programs are included in that one, right? So one of the first things you want to do, you just go here, click here to get started. You watch all the videos. Okay. This is all a step-by-step process. Just by going through the program and implementing what you learn in the program, that's enough for you to like make seven figures online. Okay. Implementing what you learn. You got to learn and you got to take action. And then one of the first things you got to do is set up your website, right? So you got to set up these pages. Okay, this is how you receive your payments. So you got to set those up, right? That's the first thing you should do. So you got to go to GoDaddy, you got to get your own domain and your professional email address because you need a professional email address for email marketing. Like my domain is sevenfiguremonk.com. You can figure out a domain name. ChatGPT can help you figure out a domain name, something you can put on a hat, something you can put on your shirt because it's your brand, right? That's what most of the pros do. They have their domain name and it's attached to their brand, and then they have merchandise that they like clothes and all that stuff. Okay. So you got to set up your payment gateways like Square, PayPal. It shows you how to do that. Then you just got to connect your system. Basically, you watch these videos and you just copy and paste a lot of your information. This is mostly watching videos and copying and pasting your information, right? And then it's going to look like this, and then your system's ready to go. Okay. And then after you set up your business, there's a training that shows you a launch kit for your online business. Okay. This shows you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Launching your business, your vision, your income earning activities, the 2 hour workday, choosing your social media platform, understanding the social media algorithm, what is attraction marketing, why does it work? That's what the product is. It's the information, it's the education. Like I said, the e-learning industry is a $1 billion-a-day industry. It's a highly profitable industry. People like to learn. Okay. So this program's teaching you how to like hit seven figures online, how to become a millionaire, really. Now it just depends on your goals, like how much money you want to make, but we teach you how to make six, seven figures online if you want to do that. Okay. And then after that, you just go through the rest of the trainings on your own time. There's so many trainings. There's so many trainings like marketing, social media, building your brand, mastering storytelling and social media. So not only is there training inside of the program itself, but then you get added to our community. Okay. And there's also training inside of the community as well. So for example, and let's go here. Here's our community, right? Once you get started, you just want to introduce yourself. So whenever you want to post something in the community, you just go here, write something. You can post your wins, select your category, introduce yourself, post your wins. So let's go to the wins. We got 56,000 people in our community right now. People are joining our community every day. Okay, let's go check out. So I'm going to show you proof that people are making money just by reselling these programs. Okay, so let's see. Let's see a money win. Show me the money. Here we go. Woke up to a $900 sale this morning. If I said no to this opportunity, I don't know where I would be today. To God be the glory. Never give up. Stay the course. Okay. Yeah, there's always there's a cost of saying yes and there's a cost of saying no. She said yes to this business. She got started, so now she's having $900 days. If she said no, she wouldn't have $900 days. So That's one sale proof. On these wins in this win section, people can post any wins they want to post. But I'm just looking for the money wins right now just to show you some proof. Okay, so $600 for Latasha. I was about to take an afternoon nap and then someone joined. Okay, someone purchased one of the programs. So you're reselling these programs, plus you get your own business, plus you get access to our community. So that's great for you. $900 in 2 days for Yolanda. Okay, boom. So there's your proof. I already showed you just multiple wins. Here's another one. $1,200 in 5 minutes, two sales back to back. And it happened while I was live. I was literally showing people my Stripe account. They saw the number go to 900 to 1,200 live. Okay. So she's made around $98,000 with this program. She's close to 100K, right? So that's what we teach you. We teach you how to post content. We teach you how to go live. Okay, so she made $1,200 in 5 minutes. That's crazy, right? That's just attraction marketing. So you might think like, $900 commissions are crazy, but there's people out there that make, they have programs and stuff. There's people that have like offers that are worth like over 100K. Okay, people have $100,000 offers. So actually, when you think about it, $900 offers is really not that big in comparison to some offers out there. $900, this is such a blessing while am I live. That's why we teach you to create content and go live. When you go live, you're just sharing your business. And we have live training too. So there you go. There's the proof. I showed you the proof. The proof is in the pudding. There's the proof. So you can't tell me this doesn't work because it does. Inside of the classroom, we have more training. So you just go here, click here to get started. This will give you an overview about the community and how everything works. And we have all these bonus trainings. We go on these 90-day runs. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. We have social media training, content vault, mindset training, six figures in 6 months, all that stuff. Okay. So, and this shows you the calendar. This shows you where we have live events. So look at all the live events that we have. So, and also what do we have today? Today we have a Facebook training from Victoria. She's made over like 500K. Tomorrow we have free webinars, so you can invite people to these webinars. We show you how to like send emails out, inviting people to these webinars. So these webinars are doing the selling for you. And we got all these other trainings. You can just see it in the calendar. So that's the community. So like I said, you just got to get started, set up your business, plug into the community. You're following a 2 hour workday. And yeah, that's it. So let me show you, like, for example, how I create content on my YouTube channel, right? You got to post 3 pieces of content a day. Now, I do long form videos like what you're watching right now. It's considered a long form video because it's over 10 minutes, right? I would consider long form videos anything over 10 minutes, right? So I do all these long form videos, okay? And then here's short form videos. I would say short form videos are like anything from whatever, 15 seconds to a minute. You can even do 3 minute videos on social media now. But usually I like to keep my videos around a minute or less, okay? Because and basically all you're doing with your content, you're just creating, you're connecting with people. You're just creating curiosity. You have a hook, you create curiosity, and you have a CTA. Like at the end of my videos, I'll say comment yes if you want more information. They comment yes. That's it. So that's why you want to just create some curiosity so people ask for more information, right? Okay. And then here's my lives. You can see all my lives are recorded too. People can watch my live replays, which is great. And then what I like about YouTube is they have these post section. Okay. So like you can post written content too on YouTube. And I do a lot of value on my posts, just like it's not about my business at all, really. It's just value posts when I do my posts generally. So, yep, this is faceless content. Like I'm not showing my face here, obviously. So, faceless content, there it is, all this stuff. And most of the stuff I create with AI. Like we teach you how to use AI. Like I create a lot of my faceless stuff with AI. So that's the example of like how to create content. Okay, you can use whatever social media platform you want to use. I like YouTube, I like TikTok. I use YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, but mostly I'm on TikTok and YouTube more than the other ones. So yeah, that's it. I broke the whole business down on how it works and everything. So if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the comments. If you want to get started, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description, right? Make sure you like this video, share this video with someone who needs it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm always going to be sharing different, business tips, marketing tips, self-development, all that kind of stuff, just to help you make as much money as possible so you can live a life of freedom. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.